Hello, welcome to AVASK. My name is Sean and I have my colleagues with me today who are...
It's Melanie here.
And Emily.
And we'd like to introduce you to ourselves and our business. We're coming to America Wednesday the 21st of October between 6:30 and 9 o'clock at the Sheraton Hotel to hopefully explain to you the benefits of trading with the European countries. What we'd like to do by start is to say what we do as AVASK.
Ooh, okay. What we do is we are a global tax firm which obviously are specializing in e-commerce and cross-border transactions. We are also local accountants for the UK, whereby we assist local companies with incorporations and also accounting and tax matters.
And when did AVASK start?
AVASK started some few years ago, but when we started really working with Amazon sellers, it was 2012.
Okay, so working with Amazon, what does that mean?
Well, we were first approached by a few sellers. I think the first ones that came through were from the US, which followed by Japan. And we just went on from there. Most of those sellers, and I would say actually maybe 100% of those sellers were Amazon sellers. Those were the ones that were looking to expand over into Europe.
Okay, so how many customers are we dealing with roughly at the moment?
I would say few hundred clients, which is obviously the 60% of them are from the US. We've got Japan, we've got China, we've got Australia, we've got India, recently Singapore, we've got Canada, and we've got Hong Kong.
Wow. So just jumping back, let's look at AVASK as a company. So, have we got ability to talk in different languages to various customers?
Yeah, so we do talk in several languages. I think there's about 8 that we're fluent in, which is obviously English, followed by Cantonese and Mandarin, and then the main 4 EU countries, which are Germany, France, Spanish, Italian, and then also Russian as well. So we have got quite a wide spectrum to suit anyone's kind of needs.
So what we're saying is that we can encompass all different nationalities, and we are already trading with a lot of customers already.
Yeah, but just going back to the thing that Melanie was saying about when we started with Amazon, since then we have expanded, so we are now recommended external tax advisors under the Amazon Global Seller Programme.
Fantastic. And obviously the rationale for us going to America is that a large percentage of our customers are coming from that western side of America. Is that fair?
Yeah, we've got, did we say 60%? I think you're looking at 60% are coming from the west coast, and then the rest are scattered all over America. One client was actually, this is funny, was saying, when I told them that, okay, we're going to be obviously expanding to America, but we're looking at the west side, we're looking at California, LA, and they said, oh no, you have to come over to New York. So New York was very attractive to me, but when we done the stats, we thought, okay, definitely New York is going to be our next project, but at the moment I think let's start in California and then expand over, and we're looking at maybe we might just go up to San Francisco, New York, and then maybe Canada.
Okay, let's just go back a step and look at AVASK UK and worldwide. So offices at the moment, what have we actually got?
We've got 2 offices in London, so one north, one south. One office down in Hampshire in the UK, and also out in Los Angeles in the financial district.
Okay, and that's obviously geared up for where we're all off to in October.
Yeah, just to mention, we will be there from the 17th right through to the 24th. So as well as the seminar we'll be holding, we're also available throughout that time to kind of suit any needs and requirements that any sellers might have.
And that office is live now, isn't it?
That's correct, that's right. It's being manned by our PA, Ryan.
Okay.
Yeah, she's the one that's looking after it at the moment. She's taking any calls and transferring over into the UK. We will be travelling there more often. We will be going over to America quite often after that. I think we've got another trip that is booked for January around the 12th. So, I mean, if people miss us now, they will see us again pretty soon.
And as well as the American office, then obviously we've changed our working times UK so that we can be in contact, because there's nothing more frustrating than somebody trying to get hold of you and they're getting a bleep on the end of the line.
That's right, that's right. So we do work, I mean, we work from 8 till 8. The 8 sort of like caters for the few hours left on China, and then obviously for America on PST. PST and EST.
I think that between us as well, we have to stress that we've got a wealth of experience across all different aspects of accounting. So not only is it the Amazon program that we can help them with, but everything else that anybody needs to deal with will be there to answer, hopefully, their questions that they need to.
I think one thing that I've actually experienced over the years also, just in addition to that, I've seen loads of people when they come over to Europe, or when actually they get told by Amazon that they can trade over onto the 5 European platforms, they sort of like that fear as to what are the taxes that they're going to be paying. Is it 2 types of taxes? They're paying taxes in America, they're paying also in the UK. No, it is not. The process is so easy. As long as you get your account validated with Amazon, you contact us and we get you through the stages of what to do. Most of the time we do all the work. And the client just needs to concentrate on making sure that they get the correct product over to Europe. That's all.
And I think it's important to say that we've been dealing with the revenue for many years, and
that's right.
Once you get a relationship from a corporate point of view with the revenue, then it makes life so much easier because we know who to talk to, we know who to contact, so that we can push things along to make sure it happens.
Which is another advantage again with one of our staff being an ex-HMRC tax inspector. That is also an advantage to us. And again, some of our staff, they've worked globally for the Big Fours as well, KPMG, Grant Thorntons, so they have that sort of like global experience of handling matters. So to be honest, all the people that are looking to trade in Europe, they'll be in safe hands with AVASK.
And I think that's really important, is the message we're trying to get to you is that we have got a wealth of experience that we want to share with you to make your lives more easier, that allows you to concentrate on what you do best, and it allows us to concentrate on what we do best.
That's right, that's right. The whole transition is easy, to be honest, and I know people sitting at home, they're going to think, oh my god, it is definitely not easy. You're talking about an unknown world. It is, we make the complicated simple, as one of the colleagues always say.
So what we'll try to do next is to explain to you about the market size and what potential there is for you to grow your businesses within the EU. So stay with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.